What's up, dealer partners? I come to you today with an exciting message about our Warranty 2.0 program. For the last little bit, we've really felt the need to step up our warranty coverage. So starting 2026 year models and forward, from now on, there will be a 6-year structural warranty on all Diamond C product. Then what is even a little different than what we've been doing, besides just that basic structural warranty, is we will have a 2-year comprehensive warranty. That's bumper to bumper, all of your components. In the past, it's been kind of disjointed. One component would have a 1 year, one has a 6-month, one has a 2-year. So now it's a minimum baseline. Everything on the trailer has a 2-year comprehensive warranty on it. Next, for you and the more transactional piece of it, working with us, we're instituting a $500 pre-approval to every dealer in our network, meaning if you have a customer that's Friday, 3 o'clock, they leave the yard, they come back, they've got an issue, whether it's a tire or a pump or whatever, if it's under $500, just take care of it. You don't have to get pre-approval from us to be able to take care of the customer. This will be a huge lift in customer satisfaction just for you to be able to knock it out and get them back on the road. This new Warranty 2.0 is not just about being the industry leader and standing on the building saying that we've got the best warranty. It's really about building relationships with you, building relationships with that consumer, instilling confidence, and really just enhancing the customer experience holistically for the Diamond C customer on the road. So if you've got any questions, reach out to us. You can reach out to me, Robert Belleville, the leader of customer success. Get with him, your account manager. Whatever questions you have about this new warranty, let us know. We're really excited about it and what it could do for you.